Okay, here they are. I was trying that thing where you clean out your life, and if it makes you happy, keep it. If it makes you enraged, you put it on the fire pit and you light it on fire. I think that's what Marie said. So here we go. Bastards. Don't blow me up. That would be not good. We got fire. We got fire. Come on. Go, baby, go. 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 Burn, bitches. That's exactly what needs to happen. Right there. That's joy. Warms my heart. Warms my heart. I printed those shirts for them. They never paid me for that. When they left my house a construction mess. And stole the truck that we bought them as payment. Needless to say, things did not go well.